Narayanyam, Dashakam 1, Shloka number 9. Karunyat kamamanyam dadati khalu pare svatmadaha tvam visheshat aishwaryaadishatenye jagati parajane svatmanopishwarastvam त्वय्युच्चै आरमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतनास्फीतभाग्याः त्वं च आत्मा राम एव इति अतुलगुणगणाधार शौरे नमस्ते. कारुण्यात् काममन्यं Dadati Khalupare. All gods and goddesses, they have compassion on us. They are all special. They have their own specialities. Svatmadaha Tvam Visheshat. O Krishna, you too are very special. And your speciality is that you have given yourself to us. You have stepped down to our form, so we are able to relate to you better. And we have a close association with you, which we can feel. Aishwarya dishatenye jagati parajane. All gods and goddesses have powers, and they all are providers to us. You too have powers, and you are a supreme power. Tvayuchai aramanti pratipada madhure chetana sphita bhagyaha. People who always think about you are very fortunate. You make them happier with every step they take in your direction. Tvam cha atma rama eva iti atula gunagana dhara shaure namaste. O Guruvayurappa, Bhattatri says, I am unable to do even a namaskaram to you, because he is completely paralyzed, he is bedridden. But please accept my manasika namaskaram to you. O Shaure. Shaure is another name for Krishna. Namaste. The underlying message in this shlokam is, in management, there is a concept called worm's eye view. We all know about bird's eye view, which emphasizes on knowing things at a high level, 10,000 feet above the ground level, to understand the big picture of things. On the contrary, there is something called worm's eye view, which emphasizes on knowing the details. There is a lot of strength and power in knowing the details. Likewise, Krishna, he stepped down to human form. Hence, we are able to relate to him better. If you speak to some of the top senior management folks, they will make you feel very comfortable. They are all all-rounders. So if you are a developer and you are talking to one of the top brass in some of a company, this official, this great leader will step down to your level to have that conversation. And this is a great leadership quality. Not everybody can do this. And the same leader, when addressing a senior official, accordingly changes the style of conversation. Likewise, Krishna is able to relate to all of us. We ordinary human beings are able to relate to him. And it is more because of his human form. In Tulasi Ramayanam, there is a scene which describes a conversation between Shiva and Parvati. So Parvati questions Shiva, saying, "Oh Shiva, I know Rama is like my brother, but why is he behaving like an ordinary human being? I understand that his wife is, kidnapped, but his behavior is unacceptable." Shiva says, "Oh Parvati, no, you have completely misunderstood. I think you need to be at the ground level to understand Rama. So please go and see him." So Parvati then takes the form of Sita and to go and see Rama. Rama looks at her and then says, "Oh Parvati Ma, how are you?" Then Parvati mother realizes that even though Rama is in human form, he is great, he is supreme. The reason he behaves like an ordinary human being is only because he is in that form. So this is a great leadership quality as well, and I hope we will try to imbibe this quality in us. It's very important to relate to people differently, in a way that they understand and they are able to reciprocate our feelings. Thank you.